gave her some, and I called her up and said, Lisa, what did you think? And she says, it's all your fault. I said, what's all my fault? She says, well, I'm late now. I got the NanoSpotMaxx, I couldn't put it down, I kept cleaning things, and now I'm late. She absolutely loved it. So to me, that was a great victory, because even on stuff like stainless steel, which as you know can be difficult to clean, she was very impressed with the results that she got. And as you see here, the fingerprints, any watermarks, it just cleans really nice. And don't forget, it leaves the AFT behind, so you have a surface that's more easily cleanable. Now, last week I cleaned the stove, and I'm going to put up some before pictures. You couldn't see through the glass. There was caked on food inside of the oven, and it was a mess. And I was able to clean this with NanoSpotMaxx. It took some dwell time. Some areas needed an hour, but we were able to get that clean without harmful toxic chemicals. So let's go over here. Now again, we have a black stove, and we're just going to use this microfiber cloth. And you're going to see how nice this comes up. And again, no toxic fumes, nothing to hurt the kids or the pets or the family. We get a nice clean surface, and it just easily removes the dirt.